Hello, precious people. Now, good evening. Now, happy weekend. Today is Friday evening, so happy weekend to every one of you. I'm back again. My name is Faith Enagbare Osamuji. Public know as Divine Faith or Robo Sadi Talkative. I say me I call it talk small matter this evening. Now I talk about politics more. God bless every one of you. In Jesus' name. Last 2 weeks, I thought say Nigeria celebrities and some pastors cannot insult politicians because you see they collect something from them. So today I want to say politics, not business. So I'm still talking about endorsements. I know what about this life, about we Africans, we don't know wetin we dey do, most of us. I will not say everybody because I don't want hard innocent people. We don't know wetin we dey do. Fine. You think say person dey do something we say gain not dey for this life. People say they give una money, they endorse una. Una think say una for free? No. If God help them tomorrow, they win. They give them the position. And they rule people. Then go recover. Everything we say they give to una, they go recover am with una country money, whether na Nigeria money, any country will be for Africa. Whatever they give to you people, whatever they gave to you people, when they become your leader, they will recover everything, even times 5. I do kineje according to Benin people. Nobody go invest without saying he no go see gain. They are just investing. They are not endorsing, but they are investing. So I'm begging every one of you in the name of Jehovah Rapha Adonai, God in heaven. Stop looking for endorsement from people. It's good if natural person, maybe a businessman, a businesswoman, just is okay, fine. He like wetin they do, he want help you, he want support you. Good. May give am to you, but if you collect from politician, na Nigeria money, the poor people money, the sick people money, education money, the money we say they supposed to do to take care of people when they sick, na health money, na they go take recover back. So this time around, we need to use our brain. For those people who are looking for an endorsement in one way or the other, remember, if a politician endorse you, they are endorsing you with Nigeria money or Africa money, because if they win, they will recover. They will collect that money times 100. They will collect them. It go complete. The money go see hard jara on top. So may we dey use our brain, because politics na another type of business. It is business. Politics is business. If not a business, they front they fight. They front they do different things, may they win. If not be the game they won't go game for them, why can't you support one person? Why can't you just okay fine, this person we want to support them, we want campaign for her. If the person don't give you anything, just put that person there, support that person to rule well, support that person to do things well. No, everybody want to rule, everybody want to become a leader. For one position, you go see many people they drag for one position because of the game when they game for them. I mean they drag. No, say they get help when they want offer their nation. Most of them they don't have any help to offer their nation. They don't have any help to offer their own country, but they are there because of what they want to gain. That is really they are using money to endorse people. They are endorsing you to gain more. They are endorsing you to have more. They are not endorsing you for free, because that money they will collect it from Nigeria pocket. So I dey beg all Africans today, don't be say now thanks for watching, God bless you. Today no be only pastor, no be only celebrity. I beg every one of you in the name of God in heaven, stop looking for endorsement from politicians, because they are endorsing you to gain the money back from Nigeria pocket or Africa pocket. Politics is another type of business. They are doing business. They are just investing to gain their money back. God bless every one of you. I don't have much to say today. But before election day, I'm still coming back with another good topic. I love Africa, I love Nigeria, but we need to correct ourselves. And just have into your mind that politics is another type of business. If they are investing on you, if they are endorsing you, they will they will collect that money back. They will have gain on top from Nigeria pocket. That is just the pure truth. For those of you that like Indomie, bag of rice, 10,000, 5,000 naira, 1,000 naira, onions, anything they are giving to you, it is business. If they use one trailer of rice, they use and share for make una for vote for them. If they win, they enter, they will use and collect 10 trailer of rice for una hand. They invest to gain. Nobody want to win money for inside the husband. So anyone that give you something to vote for him or her, is that person is investing. In they invest to gain back. So it is time you use your brain. Use your brain. Okay? Don't collect half bag of rice and stay in bondage for 4 years. Don't collect onions and stay in bondage for 4 years. Don't collect Indomie and allow your children to come and end their life in prostitution or to die in the sea. So it is time to use your brain. Use your brain and vote right. I will not say, oh, don't vote. You have to vote because every one of you, your vote counts. So choose your leader right, use your brain and vote right. Remember, politics, it is business. Politics, it's another type of business. If they endorse you, they are looking for more from Nigeria. Because if they give you 1 million, they will collect 1 billion. Yes. If they give you 10 million, they will collect 10 billion. So it is time we use our brain as Africans, as Nigerians, to do something right. Sometimes I don't blame these politicians. If I look at another, if I don't look at from another angle, I can't blame them because I will then give you reject them. For example, now, so then go return waiting then the money or whatever they bring come when we say una reject, and if they come win, they don't have to come use and take do business. Or maybe now that person say in the endorse now they give a bag of rice or whatever they are giving to you people. Maybe he go borrow the money. You get my point? Maybe he go borrow that money. So maybe borrow with interest self. These are they endorse you. They give you 10,000, 5,000 bag of rice, Indomie, onions, pepper, salt, whatever. He borrow the money. So if he still enter, he go find way. Maybe say he go take recover all the old money and still gain. He go pay back to people say he still borrow money from. It is business. It is business. Most people they borrow money to campaign. They borrow money to endorse people. They borrow money to do everything they are doing. Once they enter, they will want to gain back. It's just the pure truth. This time Africa change their mentality, use their brain. Time for watching everyone. It is time Nigeria change their mentality and use their brain. You vote right this time around. Because you are the government that have every right to choose the whole leader. Whether you are a man or a woman, a boy, a girl, you are mature. If you can vote, you know what's the happen for that country. So don't collect money from them. It is business. If they give you 1 naira, once they enter, they go use and collect 5 naira. If they give you 10 naira, once they enter, they use and collect 1,000 naira. So at the end of the day, even what they give to una, no be for free. They give you little out of many. They are feeding you out of many. They all give you little, maybe little sort of onions out of 10 bags or 20 bags of oil. You say you support to reach your hand for 4 years. They will give you little out of it and you will collect them. So if you know what, may they steal the money, may they carry the money, the way all of us they carry the money, you too not collect something from them again. Don't allow politicians to endorse you. That is just it. If one now, maybe they campaign now, they not borrow money, they don't do anything, your campaign then win. So like they don't borrow money. So any money we say they get, they go use and do what they supposed to do. You get my point? They go use and do what they supposed to use and do. But if they borrow money, they endorse you. They borrow money to give you bag of rice. They borrow money to give you onions, pepper, and indomie, 10,000, 5,000, 1,000 naira. Then go recover. It is business. Nobody want lose for this life. Then go pay back with interest. They will still get their own gain. So it is time we use our brain. Whatever they are giving to you, it is not free. It's not free. They are going to gain it back from Nigeria pocket. It is not free. Dear brother and sister, dear father and mother, back home in Africa, back home in Nigeria, this time we change the way we think. This time around, you just vote right. Vote for your own choice. Food say this one, it go feel better my own life. It go feel change things. It go feel turn things around for this Nigeria, for this Africa, for this country. You vote them in. After voting, then you go see all them. When they are not doing well, you cry out, you shout, you beg. When they are doing well, you see clap for them. That is life for you. You praise them when they are right, you correct them when they are wrong. And if you need to protest, you still protest against them. That is life. You beg them. That is life for you. Dear friend, I beg you all back home in Nigeria, back in Africa, dear supporter, please tell your people to stop collecting money, things from politicians. It is not free. They are going to gain it back. They are going to gain it back times 10, even times 100. It is not free. Whatever a man or a woman that is politician gave to you, it is not free. Anything they gave to you is not free. They are going to collect it back. They are going to gain it back. They are just investing on you. It is business. Politics, it is another type of business. So, dear friends, I beg every one of you today, you are holding enough your emotion not to take your own decision. So, say no to corruption by refusing whatever they are giving to you. Say no to corruption in Nigeria, in Africa, by refusing the endorsements. Say no to corruption by voting for the right person. I love every one of you. So now everything we say I dey learn from this Obodo Igbo, when I see for this Europe, we say, you see they work for them. Now I'm going to talk about. So I'm not here to insult people. I'm not here to campaign for anybody. I'm just saying politics is another type of business. It is business. They are just investing. They bring money out. They invest on you people, you vote. When they enter, they recover with gain. That's what they are doing. Nobody want to lose for this life. So you don't want to lose. Me too, I don't want to lose. People say they invest. Politicians, they invest. They don't want to lose. We are one Africa. We are one people. But it's time we change our thinking, our mentality, the way we do things. Take for example now, they give you 10,000 naira. And maybe you enter beer parlor, you drink small start or you drink star. And maybe you get babe or your friends, you just get something. Before you know, under 3-4 hours, 5 hours, a day, the money don't finish. And because of say money, because of small things say you want to just for one day, you will suffer for 4 years. Or they give you bag of rice. No how you go manage that bag of rice. If na many for na family, maybe it go last 1 month. If you want not mean go last 2 months, so you enjoy for 2-3 months and start suffer. God bless you. And start to suffer again for another 4 years. No. Life not supposed to be like that. Don't collect onions from them to go and vote. Mother, father, auntie, uncle. Never collect onions. No collect salt from anybody. You tell them go with your salt. We don't want salt. All we want na good light. What we want na good water. We want a good education. When they go with their salt, because if they give you 1 trailer of salt, if they enter the money when they go collect, it go buy 20,000 trailer of salt. Politics is business. They're just investing to regain back. So forget all those endorsements. This one endorse me, this one endorse me. No. I know Nigeria is not easy. You are looking for money one way or the other. I know. But if you can bear hunger just for 3 months to enjoy for the rest of your life, my dear brother and sister, it's just water. Bear hunger for 3 months to enjoy and let your children, your born children, your generation to enjoy forever. It's more better. What's the enjoyment of 1 month? After 1 month, you go to cry. No. Please, I'm just begging you all. I never say vote for so person for, I say vote for your own choice, because you are the government that have the right to choose leaders. So vote for your own choice, but vote right. Look very well, listen very well, investigate very well, listen to the very well, share the campaign, check all the promise. Before you go put and say I vote for so person. Please, I beg every one of you, don't collect anything from these people. Let them go with their money. Let them go with their money. So you can, you say, if you want to swear for them, you go catch them. You know why swear they catch them? Because all of us say they collect money. If you not collect money, swear no catch them. If you not collect anything, if they do what they pay, you come out, you call God, go answer. If I ever go to shake, say, this my children, they know they call me. So if you collect things from them, you cannot swear for them, because we will not get to shop the thing. I beg you, don't collect anything from these people. All we want in Nigeria, all Africa want, it is good governance. God bless you. I love you all. I love every one of you. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for listening to me. So I'm not perfect. We are learning. But everything we say, they hope for this Budo Igbo. Me, I go to tell my people. My people, when they hear me so, make one not collect anything from these people. If they come with their salt, their lubara, the onions, the rice, the indomie, then they say, my bikini, carry and go. We want to make all my children, my grandchildren, to have good education, to have good life. We don't want onions, we don't want pepper, we don't want indomie, we don't want rice. Mommy, daddy, uncle, auntie. Torí Ọlọ́run abeg, I don't want to go tell them. When you got here, why no why yawu? So for nagbon my mon wa be nagbon gi ma ejo wa. Oni run wa gi na, oni wa gi gwalo. O figbon. Ona ge genye, ona yo ga lubara. Ona gi ze, ona oge indomie. Nagbon make na ma omonu go be bie. Nagbon make na ma ejewe. Nagbon make na ma we nave anywhere we de garota we o wi ana o we begbo mo wi ana o ni eru ni ma ya efe na eri ma vejima e wa ne kedore wala wo wari go to se o wa ke vote e wo bungbe no wulo yeze wa ma bi omo ni do wulo ju e uweze ena ya eyi me no vi wa efeti ina wo ni ve do yin wa yi oba na we to ga de ba wa ya ve ni Jesu nogi ise o. So I have to go now. I don't see our elections are the worst problem we have in Nigeria. That is true. That is true. Okay, our electoral problem in Nigeria. Yes, that is true. The big problem is for Nigeria be down. So I just talk my own. Now come sabi. If now they cry, we dey hear say we dey hear for social media. They see to all of now. We don't talk our mind. Next week before the election day, I go see come talk to my people. I beg, make I not forget, say, politics na another type of business. So they are investing to regain their money back. All those endorsements, all those onions, pepper, alubara, rice are not for free. It's investment. Then we regain their money. So if you collect it, don't swear for them, because we're not gonna shop everything together. That is just it for today. So I have to go. Una good evening, una bye bye, una bewawo, waya wese or wese wana dami or well. Eshe go modupe, thanks for listening to me, thanks for watching my videos. God bless every one of you. God bless Africa. God bless Nigeria. God bless everybody in the world, both Europe, America, everybody. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Hey, it is me again. Faith in Nagbare Osamoji. Divine faith the talkative. Now me, I don't say talking my own. Make una take am. So politicians, make una not vex o. Na true. Una dey invest to regain. Na true be that one. So if you know say you know dey invest to regain, stop investing. Especially say I hate that people say time we say they want do election time, and that you go and say you want to endorse people. Which kind of job be that one? Wetin make you no endorse the last 2 years, that 3 years, even last year? We say just few months or few time to election day. You dey endorse. Hi! Now Joro sha, muna suffer o. People are watching who dey cry dey see road o. There is God everywhere. I don tell una, na the truth. Na Ojoro Africa. I clap am for una o. Na dey try well. My people, no quiet for that one. Will take your eye away from politicians' endorsement. I look for something else to do. God will bless every one of you. Take care. Bye bye. Ciao. Awu, my people. See you before election day to bring another topic come aside. God bless every one of you. Adios. Awu. Electoral. Okay. Finish.